Okay, it's time to roll up our sleeves. Yes, that was a pun this morning, to learn how to make a foodie favorite, obviously sushi.
That's right. And chefs Jimmy Liang and Ming from Fuji are here to give us their expert tips on how we can master the perfect roll at home. Guys, thanks for being here today.
Well, thank you so much. Happy Sushi Day.
Happy Sushi Day.
It seems like you guys have figured out the secret sauce to the perfect roll. So what do we need at home to perfect this?
Well, Ming's going to start by showing you guys how to do a sushi roll, but you really need, this is the most important ingredient, and then this, rice. And sushi paper.
Anything with the rice or just plain white rice?
It's sushi rice, so we actually mix it with sushi vinegar that we put together.
Okay.
Does that make it sticky?
Yes, it makes it a little bit sticky.
Nice.
Yep.
All right. So, and then where can we get like sushi grade fish? Because I think that's a tough one. What do we look for?
So I mean, there are places down by the seaport that they'll sell it to you, but I think your best bet is to ask your local sushi chef.
Okay.
Good. Go to the
ask
pro.
them where they go, and then you try to get it from there?
I think you should ask the restaurant.
Oh,
see if they're willing to sell it to you.
Oh, that's a good little trick.
Oh yeah, that would be the best.
I'm gonna go to Fuji and see if I can get some fish from you guys.
All right. Well, Chef Ming, you're gonna walk us through, like Jimmy said, of how to do this. So we're gonna start with the is this the nori, right?
Yep, the nori.
Look at.
So we gonna put the nori on the cutting board.
Okay.
And then we gonna grab the rice, and all you do is try to make it ball nice and fluffy.
Okay.
And then try to just spread out evenly.
Throughout the whole thing.
Yep.
Evenly. That must be the key there, huh?
Yeah.
It's always about the balance of the ingredients, the amount of ingredients.
So you're not overwhelmed by rice, so you don't take some fish and vice versa.
Yep.
Okay.
And spread it all out. Look at this.
Yeah.
Oh, you did it so perfectly.
Funny, you're next, so take notes.
Just like that. You guys want to do this and then, try to roll it, or you guys want to...
What do we put in it?
Whatever you like.
Whatever we like.
Yep, that's sushi.
So you can use
these cucumbers.
Those cucumbers.
Let's throw some cucumbers on there.
Sliced
Is
thinly.
that
right here.
No, wrong way. See, already starting off wrong.
Yeah, this is, Kwani, I would have done what you did. So
I got
to sustain. Okay.
Right here,
Healthy
like that.
base. Okay, that's enough.
Like that.
Would you add more?
You could add other things to it if you like.
Let's put some fish in there.
Let's put some, is it salmon?
That's salmon.
That's salmon.
2 pieces?
Yep.
Like this?
Just like that.
Look at, now she's learning.
So you can do this at home and have fun and just
Is this a little
experiment.
bit of the crunch?
Yeah, that's tempura.
That looks good.
Oh,
Delicious.
tempura.
Love
Just like
tempura.
sprinkle?
Yep, a little bit sprinkle over
Okay.
it.
Ooh, we should add some mango to it.
Sure.
Let's just get fancy. Sorry, I'm blocking the camera.
Things like they are not hired.
Right.
Okay. Is this enough? How do you know when they're, what's too much?
That's a good question.
This is good because
Yeah.
you think about make sure that you not overflowing the
That's
inside.
just falling out.
Yep. This is
Okay.
like making a sandwich.
Like a
Easiest
burrito.
way that
Yep, like a
just
burrito.
try to use
Absolutely.
your hand
Look at
and
that.
then roll it over, just like that, and
Wow.
then use.
Oh, this is.
That's the key to making it look perfect.
Yep.
Look at that.
Oh, I love.
Just
Wow,
that.
you did a good job.
Yes.
So easy,
You
right?
guys did an amazing job.
Awesome.
Oh my goodness. Where can we
Okay.
find you physically?
Well, we work at different Fujis.
Yeah.
So Ming and I, we make the rounds. Sometimes I'm at one and then he's at the other. But tonight we're actually at Fuji WC. We're doing a private dinner together.
Amazing.
Yep.
Well, you guys have so many more tips for us, so we'll get that to you guys on social. But thank you, chefs, both for being here today.
Absolutely.
And guys,
Thank you.
check them out on social at fuji.restaurants.